packing box, storage bag, manual, watchman, multimeter, complete accessories. Battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put into our batteries. Press the button and fact accessibility and time. Turn la multimeter. Put also a petrol cylinder. Switch to ala mode. Set elem time. And their reminder will be shown when the team is up. Real-time display of temperature and humidity. Always pay attention to the changes in surrounding temperature. Connect watch pen to the current port. Direct current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the answer recess on info deo. Alternating current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the answer recess on info deo. Map current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the answer recess on info deo. Mark current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the answer recess on info deo. Voltage. Switch to the corresponding and torch can correspond to the positive and negative electricity battery. Voltage, and the general household voltage is around 220V. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the stylus can contact the sensor for resistance. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding ground SDN off beep. A beep indicate normal and unobstructed, and a silent sound into the marge. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear, and throat can correspond to the positive and negative electricity diode. Capacitance. As short this cargo is required for the test. Switch to the corresponding gear, and throat can contact with insert the capacitor. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding ground operated on info deo.